Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, what up? Today I have a Bath & Body Works haul for you guys. This is what I got during their $6.50 sale. I didn't get a whole lot of things, but I definitely got some of their new items, and then I also got some things that I really wanted to try out. So this haul is going to be interesting because I got some different things, you guys, that I normally wouldn't get. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. I have been trying to film all day. I really hope these videos are coming out good, you guys, because I gotta have some content before I leave to go to school. Okay, so of course I had to get the Sunshine Mimosa new body care set. I wanted to try it out. Everybody has been saying how good it is, so I definitely had to get some items from that. So I got the moisturizing body wash and Sunshine Mimosa. If you haven't heard already, but I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video you already know about it, but girl, it is bright, bubbly champagne and fresh citrus. If you have been on my channel watching any of my Bath & Body Works videos, and you already know I really enjoy Bath & Body Works champagne scents. I feel like they always get their champagne scents right, and then I love a good citrus. Okay, you guys, Sunshine Mimosa smells so good. It almost smells like it has a berry note. I don't know if that's just the moisturizing body wash, but you guys let me know. It only has 2 scent notes, which is the champagne and the fresh citrus, but this kind of smells a little sweet like berries. You guys let me know if y'all smell some type of berry scent in here, or if it's just in the moisturizing body wash. But yeah, definitely had to get this. I love the moisturizing body washes. I just like to feel soft in the shower at all times anyway. So I also ended up getting just the regular shower gel. And so on the back of this one, it says, "Toast to this sweet fragrance inspired by the beauty of everyday celebrations. Cheers to Sunshine Mimosa." I wish my Sunshine Mimosa had came in earlier yesterday before I went to brunch, because I definitely would have wore this fragrance out to brunch, but it came after I had already finished getting ready and put on my scent of the day. But trust and believe, this will be getting worn whenever I come back from school, because the brunch dates are not going to stop, okay? So then I got the Ultra Shea body cream because I just wanted to have this in a bunch of different forms, you guys. So the body cream doesn't smell as sweet as the moisturizing body wash, but I still feel like there's a hint of berry or something in there somewhere. It's kind of a really fruity, sweet scent. It's not as tart and citrus as I thought it was going to be. It definitely does not smell sour or anything like that. So I think even if you're not a fan of citrus scents, you could probably enjoy this one, because it's not like that super tart, sour type of citrus. So the last thing I got in Sunshine Mimosa is the Fine Fragrance Mist, of course, and I really like this packaging. I like the color of it and everything, how it just ombres from this like pinky tone to orange to yellow, and I love the orange cap. Oh, the Fine Fragrance Mist smells so good. I had already sprayed the Fine Fragrance Mist when my box came yesterday, but this smells so good, you guys. This is a really nice spring summer fragrance. I can see myself wearing that a lot. Okay, so then I got some of their new items. Bath & Body Works has bar soaps now, which I thought was pretty interesting. So I only got 2 of them just to try them out, because y'all know I have a ton of bar soap from Dove, so I don't need to go ham with the bar soaps. So I got one in Bahamas, Passionfruit and Banana Flower, because I do really enjoy this scent, and I can smell it through the pack. It smells just like the passion fruit and banana flower that I already have in my collection, so that'll be like a nice addition to use in the shower with the rest of the products. And then I got vanilla coconut. I just wanted to get like a very simple scent that I could use every single day with any scent, and it smells really nice. This one just honestly smells really soft and creamy. So that one, like I said, can go with any scent that I'm using in the shower. So I wanted to try out their little bar soaps. You know, let's see what Bath & Body Works is doing. Let's see how moisturizing they are, okay? So then I ended up getting some aromatherapy products. You guys know I do not buy the aromatherapy products at all. Like, I don't think I have one aromatherapy product in my collection. These two will be like the first. So I ended up getting the Eucalyptus Inspirement Stress Relief Moisturizing Body Wash. I don't know what prompted me to finally just go ahead and get this, but I said that I wanted to just give the aromatherapy line a try. I wanted to try some of their products, and why not start with the stress relief? This is something that I could use at night to wind down. Like yesterday was a pretty long day for me, and it was a little bit hectic. I was tired. This probably would have been a really nice scent for me to kind of wind down after a long day. And I know I'm gonna probably want something like this summer when the weather starts to get super hot and I'm out all day and that sun is beating me down. I'm gonna need something to just come home to, relax, chill. And so I decided to just go ahead and get the moisturizing body wash in this just to give it a try. And then I also got the matching body scrub. So this is the Eucalyptus and Spearmint Stress Relief Invigorating Body Scrub. So it says, breathe deeply for best results. Clears the mind. Eucalyptus oil clears the mind. Spearmint oil soothes and uplifts. I just wanted to give it a try. I mean, I haven't really heard people rave about the aromatherapy line and say how it helps them with stress and it's so good. And, you know, I haven't really heard anything like that, but I just really wanted to go ahead and give it a try. Another scrub that I got, this is the Bahamas Passionfruit and Banana Flower Scrub. Whenever Bath & Body Works have their scrubs on sale, I just try to always go ahead and pick one up. Or if I have rewards points, I pick one up just because their scrubs are very expensive for what they are. And so I'm not paying full price for them ever. So I will go ahead and get them while they're on sale or with rewards. Okay, so the last things I have to show you guys, which I ended up ordering 2 of on accident, but that's gonna work out for one of you guys whenever I decide to do this giveaway. This is Oahu Coconut Sunset. So I ended up getting 2 of the body lotions as well as 2 of the sprays. I did it on accident, honestly. I was trying to just order one for me to try this out because I've actually never had Oahu Coconut Sunset, and because it's an online exclusive, I felt like this would be the perfect time to go ahead and get it. So this is Coconut Blossom, Sparkling Bergamot, Beach Tuberose, Hawaiian Manoi, and Molten Amber. So I remember when they did used to have Oahu Coconut Sunset in store, like back in the day during SAS and stuff like that. I never picked it up because I really didn't like it. But because my tastes have grown, Oahu Coconut Sunset smells really good to me. I mostly get amber. Like, you can definitely smell the amber, and this is very heavy. But this is also pretty floral as well. You can slightly smell the tuberose in here, and this is that type of tuberose where it almost smells like bubble gum. So you can slightly smell that in here as well. Definitely get some bergamot. To me, this is a very perfumey coconut type of scent. This is more on the mature side. So if you're not one of those people that like really complex coconut tropical fragrances, then you wouldn't like this one. But like I said, since I have been expanding my taste and I've been wearing perfumes and everything, and I kind of can detect different notes now, Oahu Coconut Sunset actually smells really good to me. So like I said, I got 2 of the lotions, 2 of the sprays. So this will definitely be going out to one of you guys when I do my giveaway when I come back from school. So yeah, stay on the lookout for that. But that is everything that I got, you guys. This was a pretty small haul, nothing really major other than the bar soaps, the Sunshine Mimosa set, and then the aromatherapy, me giving the aromatherapy line a try. Because y'all know I never buy things from the aromatherapy line. So that was everything I had to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You already know, if you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know that you enjoyed it. Y'all know I will always be bringing y'all Bath & Body Works hauls. Those are never gonna stop. But sis, if you new, you should definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the army, the fragrance and beauty army, where we like to look good and smell good at all times. Also hit that bell notification so that you can be notified every single time that I upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.